Let us take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day when market opens, right? Let's see what we are going to be expecting on our gold. But first thing first, make sure you click on the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that when we drop one or two updates for you, you would not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, this is our trend on our gold. So you can see that gold is now starting to give us an uptrend. So basically, gold wants to start pushing up to the upside, right? So for the day on Monday, we should expect gold to give us a pullback and then one more push up. This is the movement we're going to be expecting on Monday on our gold. So because gold we should just give us kind of like a pullback. Once it gives us the pullback, then one more push up because we will be expecting a bullish move on gold because when you go to your daily time frame also, you will see that a double bottom is about to form here, thereby pushing gold up, right? So a bullish move for the day is what you are going to be expecting. In case there's going to be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates. So in order for you not to miss out on that update, click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.